Okay then, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, let me show this bug to you. Now this is on Firmware 300.
I haven't seen this bug yet, so...
Boy Wonder hasn't seen this bug, so Boy Wonder can come and have a look at this bug. Now, we use spotlight mode for a lot of the things that we do. So let me just let me recreate this bug. So, we use spotlight mode and cine mode combined for the nicest, cleanest possible shots.
Yep.
Now I'm pushing all the way to the right on the right hand stick, and as you can see, nothing is happening. So I'm going to push all the way forwards, nothing is happening. All the way back, nothing is happening. All the way to the left, nothing is happening. And this is where the bug is. If we press the sensors up here, we're in bypass mode. If we change bypass mode to brake and then move the stick,
it's working. It
starts to work. So there is a bug. So this has caught me out a couple of times this week, and I always thought, oh, is it something to do with the camera angle? Or but ultimately, if you're in bypass mode and you're in cine mode, no, it's not the sensors, it's a bug. Look, it just does not move the drone whatsoever. No matter what you do, you just cannot move that drone at all. So until obviously DJI release a fix for this, there is a couple of ways around it. You can either go into normal mode and you can deaden your sticks to the level of cine mode so that normal mode works like cine mode. Or the other thing you can do is go into your sensors and set it to either brake or off. I wouldn't recommend you set it to off.
Still might fly sideways.
Exactly. But if you set it to brake, look, we can now see that we're able to, in cine mode, use that spotlight mode. Now I do know there's all sorts of bugs and stuff with the tracking mode as well, which is really not a good thing. I'm not actually going to track anything because I know how bad those bugs are. I've tried to do tracking, and it's really it's almost borderline dangerous at times. So I'm pretty hopeful that DJI should be pretty on that fairly quickly, and hopefully we won't have too much longer to wait before we get a patch.
Yeah, just did it, right?
But all that being said, this could be an incredibly frustrating bug. I know it frustrated me a couple of times this week. If you are faced with being in spotlight mode and being unable to move your controller, it was probably because you're in cine mode and bypass. Just change one of those two things, and for now that is a way around it and it should work. Got any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments down below, but peace out.